Strange behavior when defining a value for true in Python. This isn't a practical problem, I'm just curious about some strange behavior I've observed, and wondering if I understand the is operator correctly. Here's some predictable Python interpreter output. Now let's define a variable called true. The interpreter will still return true for Boolean operations, but the results of Boolean operations are considered equivalent to neither ABC nor true. Can anyone explain this strange behavior?
As often happens on here, I think I figured out the answer while I was typing up the question. There are two trues, one is a Boolean value, and the other is the variable called true. Initially, they're equal to each other. This is why Boolean operations like 1 = 1 can still return true even when the variable called true has been changed, they're returning the Boolean value true. Yet they're not equal to the new value of the true variable, which is a string.
That's happening is namespacing and interactive console hiding it. Initially you have normal true, which is part of _built-in_ module. When you redefine true, you're actually defining it in a current module, which in that case is just default _main_. Thus you actually have two different objects. _built-in_.true and _main_.true.
To add a bit more to your own answer, should be a comment, but long and needs formatting. The value from ID is, essentially, the internal identity, or true name if you like, of an object in Python. It's literally a C pointer turned into an integer. The is test compares object identity. This shows that the Boolean result of a comparison is the old true, the one still available as _built-in_.true. You rebound the name _main_.true. Your current module at the interpreter prompt is _main_. And this same thing happens quite often in beginners' Python programs when they write functions like list is a built-in function, but inside function foo, the name has been rebound to the argument. Then somewhere in the ... part they get a surprise. They expect this to invoke _built-in_.list, but it tries to call their local variable as a function instead. It's possible, but not generally good style, to import _built-in_ and call things through those names instead. It's also possible to rebind the _built-in_ names, but that's an even worse idea. Smile.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.